The secret of the intersection of two RSI on TradingView. Strategy for Pocket, Close Option, IQ Option. This strategy opens trades as soon as a trend change is confirmed by the intersection of the lines of two RSI indicators with different parameters. The idea is to overlay the lines of two RSIs with different settings to see what happens at the moment of the intersection, which has proven to correspond to a market direction change. To overlap the two RSI indicators, a platform that allows this possibility is needed. Therefore, the choice has fallen on TradingView. We operate in the binary options market of Pocket Option or Close Option. If you don't have these brokers yet, you can sign up through the links provided in the description with the respective bonus available. To set up the chart, we insert the two RSI indicators on TradingView with parameters adjusted as illustrated. RSI Parameter 5. Leave only the RSI box activated. Our RSI parameter 21. Activate only RSI in the level lines. In the figure below, we see the two RSI indicators positioned one above the other in the same chart. Now, let's identify the trend. When the RSI curve is above the zero central line, the trend is bullish. When it is below that line, the trend is bearish. It is important to open positions in the direction corresponding to the current trend. Entry rule. The trade is opened after the intersection of the lines of the two RSIs at the opening of the next candle. Example of a call opening. The white RSI 2 line is above the central line, and the green RSI 5 line crosses it upwards. The example features a combination of TradingView and Close Option. Another example with TradingView and Pocket Option. Example of a put opening. The white RSI 21 line is below the central line, and the green RSI 5 line crosses it downward. For further details, refer to the PDF and the related article with the link below in the description. We hope you find this system simple yet effective for generating profits. We leave you with the video examples, reminding you to click subscribe for any updates. As always, your comment below or in the Facebook group is very helpful.